but not
Hmm.
more than these things. Not any game. This just to totally wasting time. If you
Now
are
you have
working,
understanding now.
yes, yes,
Now
and
you
now
understand.
we have responsibility. We have
Hmm.
baby. That time we
Mm-hmm.
were totally free before baby.
Parenting is a totally different thing. Yes.
Yes, yes. And
When we
before that,
become
it was totally different. That time we had a lots of time. Whatever we want to do, we could do.
yes,
Yes,
yes, yes,
yes, but
yes.
now totally it has different. Now, we have to think that what we have to do. Work. We
Hmm.
have to think work.
At
After
least
work.
we always try to save time. Yes. Anyhow, just finish our work and then we will able to save time to, for my personal work. Yes, we are
Yes,
just
yes,
rushing behind the work in
yes,
this day. Earlier, it's not any kind of worry
yes.
about like,
We
yeah,
could
I had
we
to do
could
the
join
work.
any coaching, any other
Hmm.
thing, but now we do not get.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes, yes.
Now she wake up.
Okay, I heard the song. Okay, thank you
Okay,
so
bye
much.
bye. It was a nice conversation. More than 17 minutes. It is enough. Okay, bye bye. It was a nice
Okay,
conversation
okay.
with you.
Same
Bye
here.
bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yes, very, very good afternoon, dear. I'm doing great. Tell me, what about you?
I am also fit as a fiddle. Okay, so we should
And
introduce
how is
little
your day?
together.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so as you know, my name is Menika. Basically, I come from Jharkhand, and now I am a mother of two kids. Earlier, I have only one boy. It means boy and baby. And now I am a mother of two kids. And if I talk about my qualifications, so in this day, I'm doing my master's. Last year, I didn't complete due to my babies. So in this year, I will complete. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to reading books and I also like to enjoy leisure time with my kids. And in this day, I am interacting more and more people. So it's also become part of my hobby, I can say. That's it. It's all about me.
Okay, as you know that my name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I have a
Mm.
one daughter. She is 2 years. I am homemaker as well as YouTuber also. Now I am working on my communication skills. I have seen that nowadays you are also doing practice daily. Yes, you are
Hmm.
consistent. Yes, it is
Hmm.
very important. If suppose we have a YouTube channel and we want to learn this language, so we consistency is more important.
Yes, 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 yes. So how is your daughter?
Now she is sleeping. That's why I'm making conversation. When
Okay,
she
we
wake
are in
up,
same situation. My baby is also sleeping right now.
yes,
That.
I have noticed that time my daughter was very small. I could make more than one conversation, but now I am
Hmm.
not able to make one conversation. Sometime it happened because
Hmm.
next time our
Hmm.
child grown up, they understand each and everything. We have to spend more time with that time.
With them. Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. Okay. So
Okay,
you
so
are
do you
not
have any topic for
okay.
discussion?
What are you asking?
I am saying that do you have any topic for discussion that we can discuss?
Actually, I don't have topic in my mind. I forget your name and I was just thinking who is Jyoti? Let me connect with you. But when
Yes.
we met, then I felt, yo, yes, we know each other.
Yes,
Okay,
no,
if you have
one
any
time
topic,
we
then you
talked.
can suggest.
One time
Ah,
only we talked. More than
hmm.
1 year. That time my daughter was very small, I think.
Yes, she
Now,
was just newborn baby, I can say.
yes, yes.
Yeah, more than I
Time.
think maybe 4 or 5 months completed. I can say I'm not exactly recall, but
That time in middle, I lost my, before 1 year, I lost my sister-in-law. That's why
oh,
I am not consistent. But now I am
hmm,
trying to do consistent.
okay,
That
okay.
if suppose there is we have lost one family member, so what happened? I have a topic okay. So now I have a topic that how can we think in English? How can we make habit to think in English?
So okay, so there are lots of things how to think in English. It's depend on people, this type of activity you are doing. If I talk about example for like housewife. They are whole day engaged in household chores. Okay, most of the time their time is going in kitchen and doing the household work. So what should they do? You just start practicing whatever activity you are doing. First you have to speak the single word of those articles, like when you are in kitchen, whatever the object available over there, you have to first speak English meaning, okay, single meaning, and then you try to form single sentence, okay. And initial days you will feel difficulty because sometimes you will not get proper meaning of any particular, like there are glass, katori, belna, yeah. But initially we don't know how you will say in English. So what you have to do, you can search on Google, and you can prepare any kind of chart related to kitchen utensils, okay, and
Vocabulary,
easily you.
bathroom vocabulary.
Hmm. And then you have to try to form the sentence, and in this way you can try to speak with your kids. And most of the time because being a mother, we have to expend more and more time with our kids, so try to speak with them. And you will start thinking, and automatically words will come in your mind, automatically sentence will come in your mind, and you will start speaking first. Second, what like if you are a working person, so what you have to do if you are working any other places, so like you are not able to think if you don't have a lots of words in your mind. So initial days, like you can pick one article, okay, like anything, like here is a pen, so you can pick one article, and you know this is a pen, and you have to frame 5 to 6 sentence, like this is a pen, this is my favorite pen, I like to write this pen, and I bought this pen from my near market, okay. In this way you can start thinking, you will start, and you will start speaking about any other topic gradually. It not all things happen in a very soon, but it will take time to create the habit, because it's not like magic. Initially you will feel like I'm getting stuck somewhere, what's not coming in my head, I'm not able to framing the sentence. But when you become habitual, when you are doing all these things every single day, the like hesitation will vanish day by day, and you will
Yes, yes.
feel little bit confident and comfortable with talking about any particular topic, and you will comfortable with topic framing the sentence related to whatever you want.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I was thinking that how can we think in English? That is, suppose one thing I noticed that whenever we listen in night, when we are going to sleep, that time we are doing practice of listening. That time, we can make habit to think in English. Whatever we listen, it comes in our mind. Automatically, we think that thing. Whatever we listen, that time we are going to sleep. We are not going to like forget that thing, and we are not going to do any work. That's why we remember these things. When
Hmm.
if we are daily we are doing practice at least 1 month, and we are listening at least half hour, what will happen? We automatically we will think. And second thing, it is you said, as you mentioned, that if we are in kitchen and our child is going there, I have noticed this. Whenever we work in kitchen and our child goes there, mama, what is this, what is this? So my daughter, she knows that, mama, this is rolling pin, this is rolling board, because I told that this is
Yes.
tongue, this is ladle, these things that children learns. And now I have seen that the 2 years child cannot speak these things. But it depends on us, whatever we are going to provide them. My daughter, she goes to like take bath, then also she says, mama, this is bathtub, this is mug,
Hmm. Hmm.
this is tap, turn on, turn off,
Hmm.
this is water, pour water, mama, this is scrubber. These things we teach, that's why they are learning.
Yes,
Children
initially
automatically think.
children they start imitating, they listen the words again and again, automatically they will start speaking. Because
Yes,
if I talk about,
upstairs, downstairs. So we have to teach them. We have to
hmm,
speak front of them, then they can learn. Suppose you are speaking like a bad language front of children, they will imitate that.
yes, yeah,
You are slapping to them
definitely.
front of others, so they will try to slap. It happens.
Hmm,
We
hmm,
have to
hmm.
try to teach them. Yes, this is good thing, this is bad thing. You have to not do this. Then they can
Yes,
imitate.
yes, definitely, definitely. Because
Yes, and
initial
there
days,
are several things at our home, as you mentioned, that describing things, and we can take
hmm,
any picture. We
hmm,
have to take
that's
any
exactly.
picture from phone and any other thing. So we have to describe that the person is doing this thing, that working in office, and they are meeting with person like this. We can make frame some
Yes.
sentence as you said. Okay. So now, so
So when
I
did you start your
chat
conversation again?
child. I'm saying that are you also practicing with your child for speaking?
If I talk about my daughter, she is just 1 year completed, so she is not speaking in this way very well, but she start imitating. Yeah, single syllable
Okay.
word. Yes, small word. So, but I practice. I speak with my son.
Yes, you
She's
can
just
practice.
listening. She's just listening in these days. She's not speaking well because her voice is not clear in these days because she's very small. I don't think like she
But
will start.
after 2 3 months, she will try to speak. Girls are
Hmm.
very active more than boys.
Hmm.
My
Yes.
daughter, that
This
time
is.
she was 1 year, she could speak. This is
Hmm.
mama, this see shampoo, like
Hmm.
a cream. This things they can
Hmm.
speak.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm, hmm.
But
Yes. Yes.
these boys do not speak in 2 years age as well.
I don't think my son he was start speaking very soon as compare my daughter.
Yes.
She is speaking. I don't think no she's not speaking, but just small. But she's listening whatever we are speaking, and sometimes she's try to speak sometime, but it's not. You will not able to hear it properly because her voice is not way of speaking not
Yes.
clear. I can say.
That now my daughter is 2 years and she can
Hmm.
speak anything in
Oh,
2 years
that's
age.
great.
And she can sing rhymes, more than 20 rhymes she knows in English.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that
Okay.
time she was like a 1.5 year. That time she could speak. But now she
Hmm.
imitates everything. She imitates. If I say,
Hmm.
that you have done potty, अभी पिटाई लगाऊंगी. She says पिटाई लगाऊंगी. बताई नहीं. पिटाई लगाऊंगी.
Yes.
Okay, so when did you start your journey of speaking? I think more than 1 year.
No, yeah. Yes. But I
Yes,
was left now when I got my second because when she born, that time I was left due to my health issues. So I was left completely,
until
I think
you
more than
get
6 months.
cesarean or normal delivery.
No, it's cesarean.
Oh, it is very difficult in cesarean. You know that we have to take at least 1 month rest.
No,
Some
I
people,
don't think because I have to take care of my baby, and that was the in winter season, so I was completely bed rest 4 to 5 months.
okay, for 1 month we have to not do any work. This is
Anyway,
and
it depends on people. If your health is not good, so we don't use mobile phone, screen phone because all the time you have to stay with your baby. So how you are getting use it? It will affect baby.
that I have noticed that time I got cesarean. I born my baby. That time my condition was like if anyone say anything, I get angry.
Yes, yes,
That
yes, yes.
situation we faced. We could
Hmm.
not listen that time anyone, and
Yeah,
we get emotional very soon.
there are lots of hormones balance happen in our body. That's why these thing and these are the symptoms I can say. But gradually it's reduced and we will start overcome our anger and any kind of frustration. But initial
Yes,
days it's
and
happened.
eyesight also weak. That time I could
Hmm.
look
Hmm.
a very small word, but nowadays, if I am watching TV, I have very small words I cannot look because of
Hmm.
cesarean this problem.
Yeah, yeah, it's happened, and that's why doctor suggested you don't use mobile phone, any kind of screen, because it will be effect. Yeah, because that time our body is not
How many
perfect.
months did you not use phone?
I don't think like I was using, but not more than half an hour. I was not
Yes,
doing
yes.
anything,
And
just
that time my daughter was not, and I could use my phone at least 4 to 5 hours. I was playing that time. My daughter was not, so I was playing PUBG.
Okay.
After marriage, I played a lot PUBG,
Hmm.
but now I
Okay.
am not a bit of that. I don't like now. But that time, it was new for me, PUBG
Hmm.
game. Before
Hmm.
marriage, I never played that. I told to everyone that you should not play that game. This game is not good for
Yeah, it's
everyone.
become addiction.
No, I got
Hmm.
habit of that. Without playing game, I could not live. At least five
Because
to
you
six,
are get addicted now. That's why
yes, yes,
it's.
5 to 6
That's.
months, I played a continue that game.
Oh my God.
Yes, but
No,
now I
I
don't
don't
like.
like. Even I don't in this day. I don't able to continue use phone more than 1 hour.
Yes,
Yeah.
but now I
Within one.
use only for listening and for making video and for editing. These things I am doing for with phone, but not
Hmm.
more than these things. Not any game. This just to totally wasting time. If you
Now
are
you have
watching,
understanding now.
yes, yes,
Now
and
you
now
understand.
we have responsibility. We have
Hmm.
way that time we
Hmm.
were totally free before baby.
Parenting is a totally different thing. Yes.
Yes, yes. And
When we
before that,
become
it was totally different. That time we had a lots of time. Whatever we want to do, we could do.
yes,
Yes,
yes, yes,
yes, but
yes.
now totally it has different. Now, we have to think that what we have to do. Work. We
Hmm.
have to think work.
At
After
least
work.
we always try to save time. Yes, anyhow, just finish our work and then we will able to save time to for my personal work. Yes, we
Yes,
are
yes,
just rushing behind the work in
yes.
this day. Earlier, it's not any kind of worry
Yes,
about like, yeah, I had
we
to do
could
the
join
work.
any coaching, any
Hmm.
other thing, but now we do not get.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes, yes.
Now she wake up.
Okay, I heard the song. Okay, thank you
Okay,
so
bye
much.
bye. It was a nice
Okay.
conversation. More than 17 minutes, it is enough. Okay, bye bye. It was a nice
Okay, okay.
conversation with you.
Same
Bye
here.
bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.